Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You want deeper control without voiding warranties. Start safely. First, update both iPhone and Apple Watch to the latest supported versions because official updates fix bugs and unlock features. Once done, ensure both devices are charged above half and remain paired via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Make an iCloud backup of your iPhone and an encrypted iTunes backup if possible. These steps protect your data and let you experiment with settings and apps confidently, so proceed with the next actions. Now you'll adjust the watch to behave more like you want. Install reputable Apple Watch companion apps from the App Store. Many provide expanded functionality without compromises. Next, customize watch faces and complications. Pick data-rich faces and arrange complications for fast access. Use the Watch app on your iPhone to reorganize apps, set workout and background app refresh limits, and fine-tune notification delivery. These changes deliver measurable control and personalization without altering device. Finish by testing everything. Run workouts, use complications, and confirm notifications and app behavior. Reboot both devices after major changes to clear caches and apply settings. If you see instability, update apps first. If problems persist, restore the watch from the most recent backup and repair it. Make sure to monitor battery and connectivity after each change. If hardware faults or warranty concerns arise, contact Apple support or an authorized repair provider rather than attempting unsupported modifications that could cause permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.